Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we will have about 3e to the power of 3x, because first derivative of this one we have this one. First derivative of x to the power of 3 we have 3x squared dx. Because we don't have number 3 and number 3, we divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change for u. This one in here we change for du over 3. This one we can write into u to the power of negative number 3 du. And now we can get the final answer. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1. And we put about c. This one, we have negative number 2. This one we have negative number 2. Number 3 with negative number 2, we have negative number 6. This one we change for 1 over u squared. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.